Hola, my name is Chance. We're making Las Cuatro Chance. Okay? First we start out with the pot. Okay? Okay. Then we heat it up. We put some water in it. Yes, we got some water. Okay, then enough. Okay, that's enough. Alright, now we turn it on and we wait. I don't know how long. I think we should put a pan. Okay. Stop looking at me. Okay, we gotta get the packet out and then. Okay. Start to boil a little. Put some pepper in it. And then some salt. And then we gotta stir it up. You gotta stir it for about 2 minutes. Has it been 2 minutes yet? Tell me when it's been 2 minutes. No. Okay, it's just, I'm done stirring. Okay, put the lid back on. Gotta put it on low. Oh yeah. You gotta add the crackers. I don't know why you add crackers to whatever I'm making. Okay, John wants the crackers. Okay. Take a bowl. Gotta smush it up. Okay, that's good enough. Okay, put it in, mix it up, till it starts to change to an orangish color. Don't know when that'll be. We will be right back after this commercial. Now watch the TV.
picture of me so you can remember me when I was beautiful.
Well, you're gonna get worse?
Shut up and take the picture. Get it?
Got it.
You're in my son. I'm trying to get an all-over tan.
You're asking a lot of the sun.
Okay, honey, let's get comfortable.
And then you put something in
Look,
the
Father.
extra sounds.
Inaka,
And then they'll be like,
deodorant.
there's already like bread in
Butt spray.
there.
Okay. Here's a little something for you to read. Honey, will you put oil on me?
Oh, leave me alone.
Excuse me, would you like to drink some oil on my back?
I'd be honored.
Hey, now, look at this. I'm sorry, he can't right now. He's blind.
Really? Wait till I tell my friends. I made a blind man drool.
I thought it was pretty good.
You okay, honey?
Peachy.
Al, let's make out.
I'm racing cross-country in this small sidecar, but I've still got room for the internet. With my new netbook from AT&T. With its built-in 3G network, it's fast and small, so it goes places everywhere. And wherever I go,
Welcome back to the show.
on the internet.
Hello, we are in whatever. Okay, we have boiled the water. You see it's kind of steaming. No, I don't think you can see that, so... Getting a little close? Jeez! Okay. Oh yeah. Okay. Let's stir it up. Thoroughly. Keep that on low. Alright. Get some chili powder in it. I recommend Trecho's Foods. Alright. Sweet. Regular spoon, tablespoon like this. Fill it up. So, teaspoon of chili powder. Stir it up as you do everything else. And then get some lemon powder. Same brand, yeah. Same thing, except different stuff. Yeah. Dang it, pork! Whatever, that's good enough. Okay. Now mix it up. So So far does that. That's hot! Okay, so far does it look yummy? Yeah, I didn't think so. Alright. Take a pinch of Paragon and sprinkle it in there. Well, I use 2 pinches. Okay. And then take marjoram, ground marjoram. Ooh, freshly opened. And then put a couple sprinkles in there. Mix it up really good. Turn it high for about 10 minutes. This kitchen's fake. Okay. You gotta let it sit for 30 minutes, alright? And we'll be back after these messages.
Well, I'll send the kids away if you want.
Yeah, Marilyn, you always wanted to go that extra mile, but I don't want this to get out, but see, I really kind of like my family. I don't think it'd be right. I don't feel insulted or anything. I said the same thing to my wife the other day.
Too bad now, because you are and always will be the one man for me.
Gary? Gary Kane, you still look great. You work out a lot. Come on, kid. That's a real gold chain he's wearing.
Oh, I hate the beach.
Oh, I don't want to see that.
Beach blanket bingo over here, baby Kane. Oh, hi, Steve. How was your swim?
The water's a little polluted. But invigorating.
Steve, you know, I just couldn't take my eyes off you as you emerged from the water. The sun glistening off your powerful arms. Your blonde, dark hair framing your powerful shoulders. You move with the easy grace of a jungle cat.
Well, you know, my parents toyed with the idea of naming me Tiger. But then the yellow went away and went with Steve.
You do this for professional
Squeeze
stuff.
that in there.
Yes, in a perfect spot. Mother Nature, this one's for you. My bucket's broken.
take it easy. I'll fix it for you.
Okay, we're back.
You're my boyfriend.
And now we're back. Okay. Now, yeah. Okay, now that you let that sit for 30 minutes, you gotta... You turned it off. Turn it back on. The stove is off. Turn the stove on, it's off! Why? You're supposed to let it sit. Put it low, retard. Low. Okay, now, my special recipe to this, which this is my own recipe anyway, is you put the secret ingredient is sausage. Dun 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 dun! There's the recipe. Okay, now you're gonna put that in the oven for 350 for 10 seconds. Okay. Ding! Doesn't that look good? Okay, now you gotta take a knife. Oh God. Gotta do this right. Alright, precision. Okay, that wasn't good. Okay. Okay, that there. Chop it out one time. Okay. Stir it. Okay. Now put it on medium. Let it sit for about 10 seconds. 1, 2, 4, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Okay. You gotta get some. The hell? Oh! Yeah. Get the sausage. And then it's good to eat.
One stinking picture with my stinking family, that's all I want. Nope.
Join us next time on Cooking with Chance.